Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and this is a design team project for Polkadoodles, and I use the Winnie White Christmas collection, and you guys, it is so beautiful, so cute. I love everything. It comes with pattern paper, with toppers, with all of the colored images, the black and white images. It comes with these images with the background, and then it comes with the colored images without the background. So just like, for example, this one, just a little girl by itself. It comes with, like, I think they're like kind of like a card kit. It's a whole sheet, and it has like a focal image, and it has some other few images, and I think it's for you to use it in a card. I suggest you check out the collection. I will have it in the description box down below. It'll take you directly to it, and you can check out everything that it comes with. It comes with a lot, you guys, a lot of stuff. So I ended up using my dies, and I cut these out, and look how adorable they are. And I do have a tutorial on how I do my downloads, and you know that I can resize them whatever size pretty much I want. And what I like, I've mentioned it before, I can't color, but that is what I like about this, is that that hard work has already been done for me. All I gotta do is just print them and cut them out. So, and you know, I use my dies for that. And then these toppers, I think that's what these are called. I think I did resize these, and then I made some gable boxes, but you can see the difference in size, how much smaller I made this one, just so it can fit perfect in these gable boxes. So for example, this girl right here, it's the same one, but I think you can see the difference, how this one is a little bit bigger. Here is some of the papers, the printed papers. I didn't print all of them, you guys. I only printed a small portion of them, the ones that I thought I was going to make cards with. And then this is one of my favorite ones, because look at how those presents, they're so pretty. And the background, it looks like textured. It almost looks like some type of fabric. And oh, I like this one too, the ho ho ho. That one's super pretty. Okay, so let me show you other supplies that I used. Okay, so I also used all of these dies. These two dies right here are by Spellbinders, and these are old dies, you guys, that I've had in my stash for a very long time. This is Labels 8. Oh, actually, you know what? I did use it to cut some of the images out, but I don't think I used this die. It was this one in one of the cards. This one right here, Labels 1. And these two are just dies from my stash. This is from Diamond Dies. I like it because it comes with 20 dies, so there's a lot to choose from. This stamp set is from last year, and I used this one that says "Oh what fun," and this one is by Sizzix, and I only used the one that says "Holiday Cheer." All right, now let me bring out my cards and hope you like them. Okay, so here is my first card. This is the first card I made, and I was inspired by Rena, who is Scrapbook Fashionista here on YouTube. I was watching one of her videos, and I loved the layout that she made. Of course, mine is not as elaborate as hers, but I still love the way it came out. This sheet of paper is by Recollections. That's pretty much it, everything. And then the background paper, this one is the ones from Polkadoodles. I added some pom-pom trim, that's from Hobby Lobby, and there is that beautiful Winnie playing in the snow with her friends. These are from Petaloo. I got them from Tuesday Morning, and then I just tucked in some snowflakes, some white and red snowflakes. This is one of those hard plastic snowflake ornaments. And then this right here is part of those Christmas garlands that you can buy, you know, at any craft store pretty much. And here is the sentiment, "Oh what fun," and then I just added a plastic snowflake. And like I said, this is I really love the way it came out. And let me show you the inside. For my base, I did use 110-pound cardstock because I wanted my card to feel pretty sturdy. And it does feel a little heavy, I think, because of the plastic snowflake. And here is what the inside looks like. I used that one, like I had mentioned. This is one of my favorite ones, the ho ho ho. Then I added a white spot to write a sentiment, and then I had leftovers from the gable boxes I made, and so I just added it to the inside. So that's the inside, that's the front. Now let me show you my second card. So here is my second card, and this card was inspired by a Pinterest card I had seen, and I absolutely loved it, so I thought to kind of recreate it, but not really. Mine came out somewhat different. But what I did was I added these two squares. I backed them up with red cardstock, and you can see that I positioned them, you know, kind of wonky. So there is a snowflake tucked back there. There's a piece of lace behind there. I added this beaded trim is from Hobby Lobby, and you can see that I backed up this image with this other die cut, and it is that silvery one. There is that die from my stash, and then I just used some red stickles. Again, more of those petaloo flowers. They are just so beautiful. Right here, I just added one of this is from Hobby Lobby. This I've had in my stash. And then here is the sentiment holiday cheer, and I die cut this using glittered foam that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I really like the way this came out, you guys. And here is the inside, and like I had mentioned, this one too is also one of my favorite pattern papers. I think it's so pretty. This is for you to write your sentiment, and again, I have leftovers of these from the gable boxes I made, and I just added her. I thought it was a cute little touch, and nothing at the back. So I have finally made my very first Christmas cards, and I feel so happy that I actually started on this early because I always wait till the last minute. So that is it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't, like the video, and share if you can. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.